Hey friends, ready for math today. So remember your flashcards that you cut out? I want you to go find them. And if you need to go find them and stop the video, you can do that. You need to find the one that looks like this with the red line going down. You need to find the one that looks like this with the numbers counting by tens. You need to find the one like this that shows equations, and the one like this that shows a 10 group and some extra ones. So you need 4 of them. Okay, friends, if you want to spread out your flashcards and find them, the first one we're going to talk about is the word column. A column is this group of numbers right here that are going down in a line like this. That's called a column. Say that word with me, column. The next thing we need to know for our activities today is called decade numbers. That's another way for saying counting by tens. So when we count by tens, we say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. The next one you want to find says equation. An equation are these number sentences right here. There can be addition equations and subtraction equations. In addition equations, we are taking 2 numbers, we're putting them together to make a bigger number. In a subtraction equation, we are taking 1 number, we're taking a certain amount of things away from that number to make a smaller number. This says equation. Say that word with me, equation. The last one we're going to talk about is ones and also tens. So ones are the extra right here. This is a 10 group or a 10 stick. We've called them different things, but it just means that it's a group of objects with 10. We know they're 10 and we don't have to count them. So it says 18 has 8 ones, but it also has 1 10. So we're going to be talking about these words today. Let's say them. Column, decade numbers or counting by tens, equation, and ones, and also tens. Okay, so we are going to look at partners of 10 with stars, and we're also going to be making numbers 11 through 20 using a 10 group and some more ones. So you might have done an activity with your family with cereal or coins or small objects, making a group of 10 and then adding some extra in another group to show the numbers that come after 10. So I want you to get the page from your math book. This is page 283. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to look at this group of stars. And what do you notice? I noticed that there are 5 stars on the top row and 5 stars on the bottom row. It looks like a 10 frame. So there is a big blue star in this group of stars, and then the rest are smaller yellow stars. So in these pictures of stars, we're looking at ways to make 10. In this group, 10 equals 1 blue star plus 9 yellow stars. So we're going to start out with the number 10 first. In this group, we have how many blue stars? I know that there are 5 on the top, plus 1 more is 6. So in that group, 10 equals 6 blue stars. I'm going to write 6 plus how many yellow stars? 4 yellow stars. Take a minute to write that. In the next group, I see we have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. I see that there are 2 blue stars, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow stars. So that is showing me that 10 equals 2 blue stars plus 8 yellow stars. I want you to finish the rest of these pictures. You're going to always start with the number 10 and your equal sign. So go ahead and write 10 equals on each of those blue lines. And down on the bottom, your stars are going in vertical lines instead of horizontal lines. So go ahead and write 10 equals on each one of those blue lines. Then you're going to count the blue stars first. 1, 2, let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 blue stars. So that picture is showing me 10 equals 7 blue stars plus 3 yellow stars. So I want you to finish that page all by yourself. Remember to leave your math pages in your math book. Now, this is where we're going to use the word column. Right here is a column of circles inside of squares. These are the ways that we can show the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. The directions say, draw circles to show each number. That's what you're going to do first. The first one is done for us. We are showing 10 plus 1 equals 11. Right here, we're going to show 10. There are 10 circles plus, how many more circles do we need to show 12? We need 10 and 2 more circles. Mrs. Hoffman usually likes you to start at the bottom, but this picture shows you starting your other ones at the top, so you can choose. So we know that 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2, we're going to write our number 2, equals 12. I want you to finish the rest of them. How are we going to show 13? We're going to show 10 plus how many more? How many more? 3. Right here, we're going to go show 10 plus how many more? 4 is 14. And then you're going to write the numbers down here. Then we know down here, we're showing the number first. So 14, if I go look up here, 14 equals 10 plus 4. So I want you to finish the rest of those. If there's a big brother or sister or an adult in your house that can help you, make sure they help you with it. Nice work on math today, my friends.